All right, you guys, so this is of course after Black Friday, but these are the sales. They have these headlamps right here. Seems like it's supposed to be two different ones, but these look the same. So right here it's called Coast, 130 lumens, 88-foot beam distance. So I'm pretty sure that gotta be the $10. The $20 have to be a better lumens. Okay, here you go. 365 lumens, 134-foot beam distance. And I'm pretty sure that one is the $20. So we had some higher lumens on the other ones. So let's go over the sales right here. You have a wrench set, 28 piece, $29. This is Cobalt. All right, that's a little diddle daddle stuff. All right, so over here you have your blade utility knives. Scissors, hammer. Precision screwdriver, $6. It's good for your eyeglasses or whatever you got that uses small screws. Regular screwdriver, $6. I think I seen a cheaper one at Harbor Freight, but you could change this out to be a flathead. It's interchangeable right there.
How you guys doing today?
Hey.
Finding everything all right?
Mm-hmm. $550 lumens, $10 for one. Cobalt. So there's a combo kit here. Pry bar and a hammer. Oh, you good. You all right. The most infamous. This is pretty cool though. $550 lumens. We just seen that for $10 on the other side. Must be a different style.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not something.
This is pretty cool. Right here. Walk on the other side. Got enough of those. We just seen this set on the other side. It's basically rinse, wash, and repeat over here. Cobalt, basically plier set. It's a 5-piece. There they all go right there. It's pretty nice. Might think about that. Right here you got a neck light, $21. $14 gloves. We already got gloves. Got a little set. $50 for 64 plus 28 piece mechanic tool set. It's not bad. At least I don't think it's bad. Y'all can let me know. Universal. Ratchet handle. This is different. Well, at least different for me. Construction gloves, impact gloves. Got these already. $20. Think that's a little bit pricey, but Cobalt set. Right here you got a screwdriver set right there. Adjustable wrench. Got plenty of those. Again, adjustable wrench. Craftsman. This is the it says a push button, power operated. Oh, is this battery? That'd be nice if they had a price to it. All right, here you go, your little hex set again. We already solved our hex problem. Have plenty of those. Screwdriver set. 16 individual pliers, in which I would just get the Cobalt plier set, because why would I buy one of those for 10? All right. Here we go, Craftsman. It's a little set you could put in your car, 44 piece. Pivoting screwdriver. Huh. It looks battery powered. It's pretty cool. $30. Your wife or somebody who just want to do house stuff can use that. All right, driver and bit set. Again, same thing. All right, you guys, for the big boys, the torque wrench. Got a 1/2 inch, and then you got the 3/8 drive. Like I said, this is not bad for a Craftsman, and it's pretty big. Wow. That is a big boy, and that's a big boy. Right, over here. Oh, this is pretty cool. Cable concealer. So this is something like I did, but you can basically put your cables in the wall with this. So that's pretty cool. Might look into that. Let's go to the other side. finish this off. ToughBuilt. Now ToughBuilt is that blade / scraper that I have on the channel, so that's the only ToughBuilt tool that I have. This looks pretty cool. They call this the angle gauge and level. And it looks magnetic. It looks magnetic. Not sure if it is or not. They got it on a pole right there. So that's pretty cool. 20 bucks. May not be that bad. Oh, there we go. Magnetic leveler right here. This is pretty cool. Y'all know I got a magnetic level, but this one looks good. Oh, you good?
You're good. I just gotta put something away.
No, you good.
Spot.
You're doing your job. ToughBuilt utility knives, in which I think I have the best one, but these are pretty cool. I like the way these look. I'm actually starting to like ToughBuilt. ToughBuilt is a different design. It looks kind of robotic, but that might be my next brand of tool to look for. Now this is a pretty cool hammer. I like the way that looks. All right. I don't know what every. This is pretty nice. I like this. Magnetic nail starter. Oh. This is pretty cool. I like that. All right, tape measure. It's a magnetic hook. So this is pretty cool. You guys, I might have a new brand I'm looking out for. $14.98 for two. Not bad at all. Armor car care kit. 24 bucks for all of that. It's not bad. Wow, so a lot of screwdrivers for 20 bucks. This is not bad, and you get precision screwdrivers in the middle. I may be coming back for that one. All right, I already have a jig hole cutter. I already have it, but there you go. If you don't have one, 34. Oh, this will be nice for my son. Have his own little tool set, but no price. But I'll move out the way.
I don't even think this goes right here. I think it goes down at that end.
Oh, okay. All right, you guys, I'll finish off that side in a little bit. All right, we have the stickers for your for the walls. You can use it for your keys. A lot of people use this for their Christmas lights. All right, now $129. You could get two Cobalt. Look like an impact driver and a drill driver. Battery and charger included. It's not bad, you guys. Not bad. $129. And on the picture, it looked like it has another little handle right there on the side, right here. Whatever that is. Oh, what do we have here? A projector with a 120-inch screen. $100. It was 130. Home theater projector with Bluetooth. And 120-inch projector screen. I said projector. Projection screen. I don't know why I said projector. Boy, my language. Okay, you guys, that's it. That might be something to look into. USB charger. Is this Bluetooth? Oh, smart? No, this is a regular one. Y'all know me, I want smart. All right, let me finish off that side. Okay, you guys, so finish off. Batteries, $23, 30 pack. All right, oscillating blades, $29. Whatever, I never got into this brand right here. George Jensen. Rotary tool. And here we look like we have a clamp, $5. 4-inch bar clamp. And the same brand, George Jensen, got bigger clamps over here. All right, you guys, so this is just a regular wall, but this is the ToughBuilt. This is not bad. I like this. I like the way this is. I like how it's designed. I like ToughBuilt design. So this is pretty cool. They have another one that's you can close. Pretty much $50. They have another one that's on wheels, $100. And that one is heavy. So it look like ToughBuilt is.
You still got this one right here.
This is a pretty cool leveler. Magnetic. $20. Another pocket level. Is it magnetic? Yeah, it looks like it. Let's see. Yeah, I feel the magnet on it. But it don't say magnetic. Anyways. Then we have a laser level, something that I never reviewed, but I might do a review on my laser level that I have, but this is pretty cool. No price, let's see. Green, $40. That is not bad. That is not bad at all. Green laser. I might get another one just for the heck of it. All right, you guys, so that's it with Lowe's little grab and go section.